And so please know everything that you see here within the show and within our brand is powerful, it's potent, and there is so much intention behind getting you the results that you deserve.
He created so many different types of molecules in the world of skincare, and like has them locked in a vault. Every once in a while, like you let one out.
You just sneak one out,
Let's talk about this though. Okay, so we were talking to you about the high potency hyaluronic acid serum. What about this? A retinol renewal eye serum. Something that's going to give you targeted results for dark circles, crow's feet, lines and wrinkles, under the eye puffiness. If you experience any of those issues, this is going to tackle it for you. And today we have it for you at a great value. You're not paying $62. You're getting it home at the sale price, less than $50, or 4 payments of $12.50. By the way, the whole show is free shipping and handling. A694290 is your item number. We're going to show you some before and afters. We're going to talk to you about how you can use retinol around the eye. An ingredient that for years, so many people were like, oh, don't put it anywhere near your eye. It's in a stable form, and look at why you want to use it around your eye.
This is the wow factor. We talked about retinol being that gold standard of aging, and this is why. Check out all the things in the before. So many of us can relate to this. The hooded eye, the crow's feet, the darkening around the eye, right? And just the kind of shallowness overall. Look at the after, the vibrancy, restored crow's feet, fine lines, wrinkles, puffiness improved, all the things. This is the power of retinol and what it can do for you. And you're right, it is so challenging to make a formula that is gentle but effective enough for the eye area. Because you're right, I was one of them, an esthetician who would tell people,
don't put it on your eye.
No,
so many people did.
But now, now we can do so, and we have done it in this formulation. It is beautiful.
Well, especially in this high potency line. Now here's the thing, this is brand new today. It's the only presentation of the month. We have fewer than 1,700 to go around, and that's it. It's already very popular, and remember, today you're getting it home for $12.50 on Easy Pay. All of that goes away at the end of the day today. The Easy Pay, the value, as well as the free shipping. If you want it, now's your chance to get it. People magazine called this a skin ovation. New Beauty magazine listed this as one of the best new beauty products of 2025. And this is why, right? So we've shown you some before and afters, but the texture of this, so where the hyaluronic acid serum was a thicker texture. One that felt like a coat. This one goes on unbelievably, almost water-like.
It's got such a beautiful slip to it. You're right, I love how you described that. It is water-like. It is like a gel-like substance that blends seamlessly into your skin. And you know, I'm very in favor of using an eye serum instead of a cream lately around the eye. And I tell you why. Because sometimes it can attract a lot of water and puffiness, right? This does the exact opposite. This actually handles puffiness. It's for anybody. So if you're someone that's a little bit more on the oily end, this is great for you. You're not going to get that slip, that, you know, like that oiliness, that like just gunky feeling, right? This will blend in seamlessly, and it does so much for your skin. We're talking treating fine lines and wrinkles. We're talking treating crow's feet, darkness. If you experience dark circles like myself, 100%, this treats that and then some. It hydrates the eye area, and it just restores vibrancy overall, so we can get your eyes looking as youthful as possible.
It's a $75 value if you walk into any beauty store where you can find Perricone products. Here at QVC, you're getting it for less than $50, but try it out for yourself. You have 30 days to do so. If you're not in love with it, you can always send it back. Take a look at your screen. We'll show you some of the key ingredients in here. When I see coenzyme Q10 in my eye serum, that makes my ears perk up.
I know. That's why we're Perricone MD, because Dr. Perricone has researched ingredients like this and found that they are incredibly beneficial for the skin. Okay, so let's talk formulation. These are some of our best, most potent signature sciences. Retinol blend, same retinol blend that's in the overnight moisturizer that we talked about, big deal. So this pairs beautifully with that. Retinol ester, encapsulated retinol, so you get that slow relief, so you get the best of the best in terms of retinol. Coenzyme Q10, master antioxidant here, so it protects your skin from all those free radical aggressors, things that we exposed our skin to on the daily, pollution, sun, etc. And then beta carotene, another kind of one of those healthier ingredients, right? Improves skin texture and dullness, so it really brightens everything up.
So again, you're thinking, I have dark circles under my eyes, I have puffiness under my eyes, I have the lines, the wrinkles, the crow's feet. Look at in the after. This is after 1 week of use. So now, am I using this only at night? Obviously, because it has the retinol in it.
Now, you would think that.
Oh, okay.
This is the power of Perricone. We can do it daytime and nighttime. This is that gentle where you can pair it with the day. Just make sure you're using SPF over it.
Look at the, okay, so over 300 people have already checked out of their shopping carts. We have fewer than 1,500 to go around. There's no auto delivery on this, unfortunately, so maybe you're stocking up. Take a look at this. After, wait, let's go back one. Let's go back one. Take a look at this. Okay, so look at this. After 1 week,
I know.
Look at the texture of the skin. Look at the lines and the wrinkles.
I know, it looks like a different eye. I assure you it's not. It's the same individual, but after 1 week, you're not reading that wrong, 1 week, the improvement is dramatic here. Lines, wrinkles, everything softened up. And just look at the texture of her skin too. Overall, how much of an improvement there is. And the tone, so much brighter, so much more lively and vibrant. This is the goal. This is what we strive for here. Another great before and after that I really think shows, you know, the darkness.
Yeah,
we all
for
struggle
real.
with. Yeah, completely.
There's a sallowness in the skin on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, it's brighter, it's more vibrant, it's more youthful.
It's 4 weeks later. That's it. More youthful skin in just 4 weeks around the eye area, one of the toughest areas to treat.
And of course, you did do clinical studies, as well as consumer perception surveys. Here, take a look at your screen. After 8 weeks, people saw an improvement of fine lines and wrinkles.
Yes, fine lines, wrinkles, under eye dark circles, and under eye puffiness too. All really common concerns I see in my practice and hear about all the time. Handled, 8 weeks.
And I will tell you this, as somebody who has been at QVC for over 11 years, I'm in the beauty industry for 10 years before I came to QVC. Being able to truly tackle under eye puffiness and dark circles without a cosmetic topical is very, very hard to do, right? Because usually you're just covering it up, or you're camouflaging it, or you're trying to figure out a way to you know, hide it or mask it. This is a serum. This is a serum. You apply this just like you would a night cream, or maybe instead of your night cream. Now, if I have a night cream that I like, can I layer it?
Absolutely.
So you can layer it if you want. But look at this. This goes on completely clear, but it takes away the dark circles, the puffiness, the lines, the wrinkles, and of course, it brings you back that more awakened look to your skin, right, and to your eyes. The eyes show that you're tired first.
Right, the eyes really do, you know, they show tired, they show age, lines, wrinkles. Okay, check out this application because I want you to see the glow happening here. A little bit goes a long way. Freshly cleansed, dry skin. After you apply your serums, before your moisturizers, you go in with this eye serum. Apply it around the orbital bone, as you see here, okay? I want you to take it up in those areas of concern. Crow's feet, really pat it in, give it a good swoop. Under eye, get that puffiness handled. Little bit goes a long way, and it just drinks up. Like the skin drinks it right up.
It's like a treatment.
Yeah, it really is a treatment. And it's retinol, so it is truly a treatment for the skin.
Now, again, do I need to apply any type of sunscreen or anything if I'm using this? Great
question, Alberti. So you want to do this. If you're applying during the day, just cover with an SPF, but at night, apply and layer an overnight moisturizer. Check out our retinol to pair it with, our retinol and the Big Deal. Perfect pairing.
All right, so listen, take a look at your screen. You're gonna see again, before and afters after just 1 week of use. And that's what makes this truly remarkable. This is the only presentation of the month and it's brand new today. If you want it, now's your chance to get it home. We have fewer than 1,300 remaining in our inventory. So please, please do not wait on trying this one out for yourself. A 694-290 is your item number. Now is your chance to try this out. You know what I love? I love the fact that we can actually address dark circles, puffiness, and lines and wrinkles with just one product.
Yes.
One product. And of course, it is that